Check out the rhythm reminders on the board. We're going to be working on the very beginning of the Lord of the Dance. So we've got a half note and a dotted quarter note and an eighth note. Since the smallest unit of time in the first measure is an eighth note, we're going to subdivide for all of the rhythms using an eighth note. So the first note is 1 and 2 and then 3 and 4 and. So let's try the first measure of Lord of the Dance together. So set up your first note, and here we go. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One more time, first measure. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now look at the second measure. It's 1 and 2 and then we have a half note tied to a whole note in the third measure. These notes are also slurred together. Let's play the second measure, and the first time we are going to do separate bows. Let me demonstrate. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, let's try that together. Separate bows. Second measure. Set up your F sharp. 3 and 4 and. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's slur those eighth notes together. As a bass player, you have a string crossing. Everybody else, your notes are on the same string until that D. Here we go. Starting F sharp G. 3 and slurring. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to plan a very slow bow for that long 6 count up bow. One more time. 3 and 4 and. 3, 4, save, 2, 3, 4. Now look at the rhythm of the notes in the last 2 measures of the first line. I'll demonstrate. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch out those last couple notes. It's easy to go too fast. Violin players, on your E string, remember first to second finger is a half step and then whole step to third finger. Here we go on the third measure. Fourth measure. 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, then switch bow. One more time. Last 2 measures of the first line. 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, switch bow. Let's play the first line of Lord of the Dance into the first note of the second line. Set yourself up. Violins, you have those high E string notes, and you are using G natural touching when you have that second finger. So set up your A. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2. One more time on the first line. Bow on A, have your F sharp already set. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the first line again. 3, 4. 3 and 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2. One more time. Really try to sustain your bow motion and keep a sound the entire length of that long 6-count note. Here we are again. 3, 4. 3 and 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2. Now we're going to look at measure 7 and measure 8. Check out the rhythm in measure 7 and the dotted quarter note on count 3. And remember, we have to divide 3 and 4 and. And then look in the next measure and find the longest note in the measure. Violin players, again, remember we have G natural, second finger touching, and then we reach to third finger on the E string. Here we are at measure 7. Let's try it together. 3, 4. 3 and 4. Long. One more time. 3, 4. 3 and 4. We're going to start in measure 7 and play to the end of the second line. Bow on string. 3, 4. 3 and 4. Half note, 4-count note here. Let me switch to viola and we'll do that again. Measure 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a look at the rhythm in measure 14. And it uses a combo pack at the end of the measure on count 4. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a. Okay, so here I am thinking 1, 2. When I get to this point, I'm thinking 3 and then 4 and a. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and a. Okay, since the notes at the end of the measure are slurred, the fingers are responsible for the rhythm. Let me demonstrate this measure to you. This is measure 14 again. Okay, if you're a viola, cello, or a bass, you will also have string crossings for these notes here. If you are a violin, they are all on the same string, but we just have to make sure we get that G natural second finger. Let's play it together at 14. Set up your B note. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a. One more time. 3, 4. So if you look at the rhythm here, this is a quarter note, uses all of beat 1. Quarter note, all of beat 2. So this rest is on count 3. There's no bow lift, so I would really like you to just stop the bow on the string. And then this is an up bow on the and of 3. I'll demonstrate. Actually, it's a down bow, sorry. Rest. Now, just so we don't linger on that short note, they've also added a staccato dot to help us play the rhythm accurately. I'm going to demonstrate it again. Rest, short. Let's try that together at 15. 3, 4. Rest. One more time. 3, 4. Rest. Let's put 14 and 15 together. Bow on string. 3, 4, and a. 1 and 2 and rest. Short. One more time. 3, 4. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, rest. One more time. 3, 4. 4 and a 1, 2, rest. We're going to play from the beginning down to the end of measure 16, and we will take the repeat between 12 and the end of 15. So watch out for that repeat. It does go back to 12. Set yourself up. 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4. 3, 4, save bow. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4. Half note, half note. 1, 2, 3. Here's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,